Today we are going to be unboxing DIY Nail Shack. Wait, didn't we just unbox this? Yes, we did. Continue watching and I'll explain more in a minute. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it. So you might be asking yourself, Kristen, didn't we just watch you unbag a DIY Nail Shack? Why are you unbagging one so soon? Do they come on a frequent basis or is it once a month? What's going on here? Well, Deanna sent me this to review yet again, and what had happened was in February she had sent me one and it ended up never arriving, and so I contacted her and she graciously sent me another one, and that's the one I got a week ago. Yeah, about a week ago. And so I filmed that video and put it up, and since I got it in March, I put it up as March's video, but I think, I could be wrong, but I think the package that I actually got was nail strips from February. So I think this one is actually March's nail strips. So before we open this up, we're going to talk the details and I'm going to give you an update on these bad boys and let you know how they are doing on my fingers. For the information about this, it costs $12.95 per month. If you do sign up for a 6-month or 12-month subscription, it is cheaper. You get 4 full sets of nail strips plus a mini nail file, and oh my goodness, last packages was so stinking cute. And if you sign up right now, I'll put it over here, use the code GALORE, all caps, and you will get 20% off your first order. Now the code, I don't get anything from it, it's just for you guys. And I liked last packages. Those nail strips were so stinking cute, and because I have insanely short nails, I can use each strip for 2 nails. So that gives me double the amount of nail strips, and I could probably get 3 manicures out of each set, which is beyond crazy, like, for nice manicured nails. And it took me 17 minutes to do. If I'm doing nail polish on my nails with a base coat, the actual color or whatever, and then a top coat, it's gonna take more than 17 minutes. And then for it to dry, which on me never fully dries before I smudge them or mark them up or something. I always mess up at least one of my nails. So I love nail strips because they're super easy. There's no dry time. There's no damage to your nails like press-ons, which I love press-ons, but like I explained in the last video, when they come off, they always peel bits of my fingernail off with it, leaving my fingernails thinner and more flexible and breakable, and y'all know my nails don't need to be any thinner than they already are. So I put the video up on Tuesday, but I had filmed it on a Friday, which I'm filming this on March 19th, so it was I'm filming this on Thursday, March 19th, so it was almost a week ago that I filmed the video, 6 days to be exact, but I'm going to count it as a week. These guys all looking pretty awesome. So I went ahead and trimmed this hand because the tips did chip a little bit, and I will show you on this hand. I don't know how well, if my camera's focusing very well on them, but the tip, especially, maybe you could see it on this one, it's chipped off. And so that's okay because my nails have grown in the last week, and that means my nails need to be trimmed. So I went ahead and trimmed them on this side, and I need to trim them on my left hand now. But it looks almost brand new, and it like freshened it up nicely. I'm super happy with the quality of these nails. They have been through the ringer, y'all. I have not gone easy on them because I wanted to really test them out and really just try to get a feel for how well they will last on my nails. So we do not have a dishwasher, and I'm primarily the dishwasher. My daughter does help out sometimes, but I usually wear gloves, and I didn't for this last week. I did not wear any gloves washing dishes, and I just wanted to see when my nails got wet, especially soaking in dishwater for such a long period of time, they get super flimsy, and I wanted to see if the nail strips would come off or like peel off or, you know, lift off being soaked in water for that long. I have done dishes every single day, multiple times a day for the last 6 days, and they're still on here. I have also been gardening, and when I garden, it's about 50-50 if I wear gloves or not. Usually if I'm pulling up hard weeds or prickers or something like that, or there's fire ants around, I'll put gloves on, but most of the time I really don't wear gloves gardening because I like the feel of the dirt on my hands. But I really wanted to see, would digging in the dirt wear off? Would it peel off? Would it chip my nail polish? And I would say, yeah, you know, all the things I've done this week have taken a toll on my nails. But like I said, it's not horrible that I can still just trim off the tips of my nails because my nails grew and I need to keep them short. So it's not bad. Like, I've been mowing, I've been weed whacking, we've been spring cleaning our house this week, and I've just been diving in there and really not paying extra attention to my nails. And usually if I'm trying to keep my nails nice, I'm more gingerly with my fingers, and I'm just going all in, just trying them out, and I am impressed. They're staying. So yeah, I highly recommend this subscription. It's not because she sent it to me, but I have really tested these out for the last 6 days, and I love them, and the ones that I got last time were super cute. So I'm excited to get 4 more new strips and see what they look like in the designs. So let's open her up. I did actually go ahead and cut open the envelope, but we have again our instruction sheet on how to apply the nails. Nice big pictures, clear instructions. Yeah. I like having something like this, especially if you're new to nail strips. It's very helpful. I followed it last time and they went on super easy. I will not be filming me putting on nail strips in this video just because I'm not ready to take these guys off yet. Here is our package this month. It's peach, it's pretty, it's cute. I like the tissue paper. Okay, let's unroll it. Aww. This one is so pretty. Look at that. I love that. The blue and the pink on there. The floral print is adorable. And then we also got a little cuticle pusher for our nails. Little things like that are always nice to have on hand when you're doing your nails. And ooh, these are pretty. Okay. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick up the sparkle. The sun is, the light's doing pretty good. It's actually washing me out and I look really white, at least in the viewfinder, so we'll see. The first nail strip, these ones are very pretty. Florally, they have like a silvery sparkle to them. Very pretty. And then this is definitely a March box with clover nails. Sadly, we are past St. Patrick's Day. Just barely past it. And then these ones are my favorite in this package. They have mini, like, Easter eggs on them. Focus. I don't think my camera's focusing on them. Yeah, maybe it is. Okay. I love the pastel colors and the Easter eggs. That is just so cute. Definitely my favorite in this package. And then we have some pink ones that are just some sparkly pink ones. My daughter, definitely these ones would be her favorite. Hands down, I'm sure. Anyhow, or maybe clovers. She does like clovers, so she might like these. But aren't those adorable, you guys? For only $12.95. I think that's a good deal for nail stickers. So since I now have 8 sets of these, and I don't need 8 sets of these, it's going to take me a while to use them, I am going to put 1 or 2, several, probably in the giveaway bin, just because I'm not going to go through them that fast, and I want to give them to one of you guys. Which reminds me, stay tuned for our next video. The next one going up after this is going to be our 100 subscriber giveaway video. Yes, you guys heard that right. We have reached 100 subscribers and I'm so excited. I'm just, yeah, I am beyond thrilled to reach that 100 subscriber mark. So I really want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and as a way of doing that, I want to do a giveaway. So I'm going to be filming that, and that will be going up right after this video. So don't forget to watch that one. Follow all the rules so you guys are entered into the giveaway. It will be very easy, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!